No reply is a reply. Not a soft one, not a confused one, a clear one, a cold one. You just don't want to accept it, because accepting it means facing something your ego hates. You were ignored on purpose. That message you sent, they saw it. That notification you're waiting for, it already came. And they chose silence. No delay, no accident. Just a decision where you weren't the priority. And the worst part, you knew it. From the moment the seconds turned into minutes, minutes into hours, and hours into days. You felt it in your chest, that quiet realization. If I mattered, they would have replied. But instead of accepting that truth, you started creating lies to protect yourself. Maybe they're busy. Maybe something happened. Maybe I'm overthinking. No, you're not overthinking. You're just afraid of the answer silence is giving you, because silence doesn't reject you loudly. It doesn't argue, it doesn't explain. It simply removes you, like you were never important enough to respond to. And that's what breaks you. Not the lack of words, but the lack of effort. Understand this. People always respond to what they truly care about. Maybe not instantly, maybe not perfectly, but they respond. So when there's nothing, absolutely nothing, that is your answer. And it's brutal, because now you're left with two choices. Keep chasing someone who already showed you your place, or finally respect yourself enough to walk away. But walking away is hard, isn't it? Because a part of you still hopes that maybe one day a message will pop up and everything will make sense again. It won't. Closure doesn't always come with words. Sometimes it comes in the form of silence. And silence doesn't lie. It shows you exactly where you stand without dressing it up. So stop staring at your phone. Stop rereading old conversations. Stop waiting for a reply that was never meant to come. Because every second you wait, you're choosing someone who already chose not to choose you. Let that hit you. You weren't forgotten, you were dismissed. And once you truly understand that, something inside you starts to die. Not your worth, but your need for their validation. You stop explaining yourself. You stop chasing attention. You stop begging for responses from people who never valued your presence. And that's where your power begins. Because the strongest people aren't the ones who get replies. They're the ones who don't need them anymore. So don't send in another message. Don't double text. Don't lower yourself for a response. Walk away in silence. Because the only thing louder than their silence is your decision to never wait again.